He was also taken off the race team and moved to the breeding loft this year.
How far did
He's
you go with
gone
him?
to 700.
700 kilometers?
To Hearst, yeah.
Yeah, did you get any placings with this guy? Or
I'd have to go back and look at the records.
Okay,
but
this is a stock bird now.
Yep. In 2019, he was the 24th best old bird in the East Course Combine.
Oh,
He is Hardy Kruger Queen-O.
you see the eye sign because I like it. It's pearl. Wow, that's amazing. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Give me 1 second if I can capture the eye. Should be okay.
And you see the bronzing coming from the Hardy Krugers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nice.
His half sister was 4th best young bird last year in the East Course Combine, and his other half sister has won numerous feds.
Okay.